Well, the partners design and for the house and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so blessings to
Season's greetings to everyone. This is Inspector Gordon from the TrenchTown Police Station along with our hard-working sergeant from the CSS. We're presently in our space trying to find those who cannot move around as us. And we want to thank the partners and Kino and his group who has been doing a wonderful job. And we know as police officers that we cannot do it without partnership. So we just want to thank you. Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy New Year.
Yeah, man, Stacey.
Stacey from the UK.
From the UK.
Big up yourself.
We get the date from that horrible party.
Yeah.
Yes, pull up the date for two fish night. Proper fry, I get, you know?
Proper fry.
Yeah, man.
Well deep fry.
Yeah, man, can you come again?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Oh, what you call them, man? Burn, man.
Yeah.
Spice, or just get it.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Golden age. Alright, mommy. Listen. Echo. Sign. So a big up Admiral himself to make this possible for the elderlies.
You have the oats.
Yeah.
I'm out the wood. Let's serve that.
One of them are clean and one never make land there. Everything in them.
Everything.
Okay. And this tomato.
Where are you them, Karen?
Tomato.
Yeah, everything.
Put them in it.
We're going.
Food stuff.
Them here for the elderlies.
Yeah, all of them, you know?
From Admiral.
Admiral. Oh, Admiral.
Yeah. Original. Admiral. Original TrenchTown, man. All the way in the UK. Big up yourself, Admiral. Yeah, mommy.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's from King Admiral.
Okay.
He's an original TrenchTown, man. You know, so he's been doing this for years.
God bless you.
Yeah, so Marvin, King Admiral, you know, if I hear him do this thing, we might
Long time.
the elderly.
I can't see me drive. Admiral alone, I make see do that ram. All type of machine. All type of machine. Keep on doing it, Admiral. Blessing, love. Nice to hear from you again. You see? Love the work we are doing. You see? The golden age.
Yeah, so I hear some of them work. You know, Baja, King Admiral, help out the golden age up here so and keep treating my place.
Great energy, man. Enough respect for you, man. I see when you can remember the elderly, you know.
Yeah.
People them and give a shout out. And more blessing and strength, man. Continue your journey, brother.
Keep on doing it, man. Keep on doing it, my boss. You see?
Yeah, man.
You need it. Keep on doing it.
Yes, mommy. I like the smile on the face.
Well, this is Mr. Reagan, Derby Reagan. We always appreciate your assistance to this home here, the Irish and the Golden Age Home in TrenchTown. Home, we always look forward for your support, and you always donate to the home. Thank you very much, Admiral. Keep it up.
Yeah.
Alright?
Alright, then give thanks, General. Keep up the good work for me, yeah? Alright, yeah, mommy? Alright. Mommy, blessings. Say, of course I get video, yeah, big up Admiral.
Big up Admiral, always look out for the golden age.
Yeah, King
I
Admiral.
am the one who always dies.
Yeah.
King Admiral straight.
Straight. Here, so how much room is here?
12, 16.
So you have 16 elderlies looking after up here?
No, 16 and actually at the present moment at 12 residents.
Oh, you have 12?
Yeah, but we go home.
Okay. Yeah, well, I keep up the great work, see you, mate. Oh, so this is one at the back?
Sure, one at the back here, one at the back at the home.
Okay.
You understand? But Admiral always look out for us, you know?
Yeah.
And I know we got him always said every year, every harvest, every Easter.
Yeah, him always, yeah. We know so that them always look out for the people them as well too.
Yeah.
Cooking area. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the cooking area. Hello, that's chef. We cook. Blessings. Yeah. Good morning, you're the cook.
Yeah.
Alright, nice. You did a nice, wonderful job. Yeah? Alright. So what's over that side as well? Okay. So this is where them could sit in here.
Yeah, that's how them sitting here. But we want some better sack and see.
Oh, you need some better.
Yeah, like down here, so look for me, man. That's why America and make donations to that makes my team.
Yeah, so they need some better seated areas, some better settees.
Because them done, the setting them done, you understand?
Yeah, because them are done.
Yeah.
So we definitely need some support, some settee for the end of them up here. Because them are done, so they might need some new refurbished settees where them can sit down comfortable. So how much patient is it up here? 12?
Yeah, 12 right.
And you have 16 rooms. Yeah, and so over there is the same thing?
Over there. Well, that's our gas or plant up, but to the moment water crisis.
Okay.
Now plant up right now, you know. But that's how like a plant can.
Yeah, through the water crisis. Oh, so man. Yeah, man, lovely job, man. So big up yourself, King Admiral, for the year of support we normally do for the golden age. You don't know, you have to always give back to the elderly them. So it's a great work you might do, so it's a blessings. And you have a general there, so we're always there for the elderly right through the years to make sure say everything according to how it's supposed to go. I will give thanks for your strength, yeah, my general, every time. Big up yourself, yeah?
Alright, brother Admiral, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Enough respect, man, because you have made contribution to the Irish home from so long, you see?
Yeah.
I'm in charge of here and from me. I'm in charge of here at all time. Every holiday you always look out, you give them radio, you give them fun, you give them food, respect. We can, at all time we always expect, say, Admiral, I send something to the home.
Yeah.
Yeah, Because that we are here for, you know, because we just there here for a short period of time.
Yeah.
So the more we can put out and give to the elder, more better and nicer. Because as you see TrenchTown, our dynasty mash down TrenchTown through this dirty politics, both PMP and GLP. So if we know as individual can help out a situation, it is so beautiful. And that we are here for, you know. It's 34 years since the Irish had a golden age woman running a TrenchTown. And me, we are running from those time till this time. Can say respect to Mr. Admiral, can always reach out and give to the whole. You see, you know, those two individuals do that, you know, because even Orange used to do that one time. You understand? Admiral continue. So we are sure we appreciate that to them, you know.
Yeah, man, every time.
Yeah, man.
And respect for the support all the time, and so big up everybody who reach out and support to the golden age. Admiral, King Admiral, big up yourself, because I will thing to save you, keep treat as well to in a TrenchTown over the years when me know of. I understand, so I have to big him up. So in general, big up yourself, and until then, you will see me again, yeah?
Yeah, man, respect, yes.
Alright, then.
Alright,
yeah. Morning, it's a laugh, that's not a smile.
Joe, take out the one on
Bright.
the wall, Joe.
And bright.
The one on the wall. I got the bread.
Yes, see me.
Tell the man to them bust out already.
Dream team, when you dream team can't tired. Can't tired.
Lead up if you exist.
Can't tired. Tall piece. Them say dream team can't tired.
You never can see.
The partners design and clothes and stuff.
Yeah, so blessings. So.
Season's greetings to everyone. This is Inspector Gordon from the TrenchTown Police Station, along with our hard-working sergeant from the CSS. We're presently in our space, trying to find those who cannot move around as us. And we want to thank the partners and Kino and his group, who has been doing a wonderful job. And we know as police officers that we cannot do it without partnership. So we just want to thank you. Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy New Year.
Yeah, thank you so much. God bless you all.
Yeah, man, good.
We up my brother, man. Honor, respect all the time. One love, you know, one team, one gym.
See there, they come through.
Start to the end.
Changing.
Go on.
Go on. They are going pass through, you know. I give a quick circle. Then I deal with some donation for the team members then. phone and ring and thing. So you know, so we're there from the journey. I want to start out some Christmas donation for the team and so we can also people them sending them Christmas package.
Which is right, you know?
Yeah.
Blessings, man.
So we also have a donation for you as well too.
Yeah.
From the overcomers, you know the overcomers and then they put on the thing for the kids them who give away the books and the bags.
Yeah.
That was from the overcomers from the USA.
Okay.
So all the blessings and thanks for that they could treat them.
Yeah, man, I work for love, man. You know, the kids, they would really appreciate it and I'm glad for it. And, you know, everybody gets something, so it's good, you know.
Yeah.
Overcomers, world of respect for that, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, for the kids, them, and you know, for a nice good treat put on and the kids, them love it a lot. So.
Yeah, and then
man.
much more better to come as well.
Alright, see what I say.
Overcomers and the verge as well too for doing the same very soon.
Yeah.
Soon as we can get the birds them started. So blessings and give thanks on the overcomers. So we have a donation for you from the overcomers. $4,000 from the overcomers.
Alright, many blessings, many thanks to the overcomers. We appreciate it, you see me? Give thanks a lot. Blessings, bro. I want everybody, every donors, everyone, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. From Jenny, you see me?
Yeah.
What if a blessing? And to you, Kino, what if a respect and love, you see me?
Yeah.
Every time, brother, because we are doing good thing out the brother, you see?
Yeah.
So I really love that. What if a people right now, and community love to see this one happen, you see?
Yeah, it's true.
Just want everybody just come together and live loving and the place is all nice. And then when brother, body can't eat something, you see? Body can't nice, because brother, you know, you're bigger than a brother, you see?
It only can get bigger.
I see it right now, so, yeah, man.
True.
And to the overcomers again, right?
Yeah.
Blessing love for this, right? Give thanks a lot and really appreciate it, you see me? Yeah, blessing.
And I also have one big bag of pampers here. Whoa. And this is from Andrea. Yeah. Andrea from Fort Lauderdale.
Okay. Andrea from Fort Lauderdale. What if our blessings with this? You see me? What if I love and respect? Really thanks for that. You know, really appreciate it. You see me? Yeah. I hope they continue, you know. Your basket never empty. You see my mama? What if a blessing? I respect a lot for it. You don't know. Really need it. You know, Barry? Yeah, so give thanks a lot to everybody again is doing us. What about all around blessings, love and unity, you see me? Yeah, man, I want everybody to take care of themselves to keep. I don't know to the Corona, I don't know the Christmas, people run up and down. We want all the donors there. We want to be careful and just be safe, take care of yourself, and just have a Merry Christmas. You see me? Yeah, when it comes, blessings.
Yeah, blessings. Andrea, big up yourself for this pampers.
Blessings, Andrea.
It's like a lifetime theme. I understand, and overcomers, much respect, can't thank you enough. Donors, as a man said, we can't thank you enough. What we do for the less fortunate in the community. You understand? So donors, I'm telling you, you deserve what you deserve. It's out of this world.
Yo, deserve tell a brother, leave a medal card, isn't it?
Yeah. The medal can't describe it, so.
And tell us the donors, them know tell a brother, man. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, they really done a lot. Yeah, man.
See, we just want this Corona thing for us finish up so everybody can start moving on, because a lot of them want to see me.
Yeah, a lot of them want to come.
We don't want to see them, Jay-Z.
Yeah, we can't wait to see them. Because drinking there, we can't wait to see them. So,
yes, man.
big up yourself, the overcomers and Andrea for this. And all donors, big up on yourself. Every time.
Yeah. Starting now, everybody. Respect and honor, man. You see? Things them for me, so only for respect to Orion, you see? Yeah. Blessings, my brother. Every time.
So Orion is in camera shy, so him say no one behind the camera. So Orion is all the way from Fort Lauderdale as well. So big up yourself, Orion. Him there, he's a guest. Same camera shy. So we're not going to highlight him. So we have to big him up. Orion, big up yourself, and welcome to TrenchTown.
Respect. Yeah.
Yeah, so we have whoa. And we have Zaga Zaga Zow. So Zaga Zaga Zow and Wow in the kitchen. You see me? The Wow chef and the Zaga chef. And we have fish on the menu.
Yes, man.
See it there? Fish in a pan.
Fish are fried.
And fish. Wow, some big shark there and they got some shark.
Yeah, man, tiles, you know, so the money come like crocodile, you know? Yeah, man.
They come
like crocodile, you see shark, yeah?
The crocodile skin.
Yeah, man, see shark, yeah. A shark, this. The money come like crocodile, the money, you know? Like a shark, like a crocodile, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so.
Shark and crocodile.
So the slice on them, you know? Yeah, they're Paris and England, eat slice fish.
Yeah.
So America, eat brown, snapper, catfish. All the catfish.
Yeah. So yo, we are big up on Stacey from the UK.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Love for the meal. You see it? A fish meal. The pumpkin rice. You see it? Thank you for the meal. Keep on doing it, Stacey. One love. Blessing. May God guide you and protect you so you can live forever. Understand?
Yeah, man. Stacey, man.
You see it? Yeah, man, Stacey. I make pass the big pot, you know? The big pot, the full fire, you know?
Oh, okay, for the
Man,
big
get the big pot from them, man. Yeah, man, Stacey.
Stacey from the UK.
From the UK.
Big up yourself.
You know? Get the deep fry, and have horrible for fish.
Yeah.
Yes, pull up my deep fry and two fish next to me. Proper fry, I get, you know?
Proper fry.
Yeah, man.
Well deep fry.
Yeah, man, can you come again?
Yeah, man.
Oh, what you call them, man? Burn, man.
Yeah.
Spice, or just get, you know, can I get a color?
Oh.
Yeah, man.
How can spice again?
Yeah, man, mix up some garlic powder, fish season, get some fish season from Joanne, you know? Mix up everything, I want to send them pretty. You see?
Yeah, man.
Mix up fish season. Yeah, man. Yeah, magical come the water on it.
Yeah, but
Big pot, put on the rice. Boil the pumpkin now.
Yeah, the pumpkin.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
Great Zagazo in the kitchen.
Great Zagazo in the kitchen. Yeah?
No one more let us know.
Put up the pumpkin and thing.
Yeah, burn the rice, you know?
Yeah. It's a good look today, it's a good dinner today.
I want to get some butter bean.
They want to get the butter bean.
You can cut up the season, then I see the red, gold and green, and the season and cut up. I see the season and cut up the red, gold and green, and I see the carrot, pumpkin, okra.
And them cut up, red, gold and green.
Yeah, Irish and them things, you see me?
Yeah. Look at yourself, Stacey from the UK. It's a good look.
From the UK, blessed love. Thank you for the meal, you know. Most I bless you. Again. Thank you.
Yeah, I can pepper in there. I'm pepper on over, I put pepper in there.
Yeah, man, I don't want to talk, man.
I'm high the smoke about brother. Come on, tell us. See how to put it, brother. Yeah. Oh, no, I'm the master, you know? Oh, no.
I want a chick.
Yeah, man.
I want a chick, man.
Yeah, man. There's some proper fry, you see that? Yeah. Some of them France or England, man, I'm a big fry, I saw them thing, you know?
Yeah, sure.
Big fry, you know?
Watch her now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch her now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.